Alright, here we are after the blizzard. The sun's out, wind is still screaming, but mostly the cleanup is done for the most part, and I'm pooped. Been out for about 6 hours today. But to show for it, we have a clean driveway, clean cars, and over here we have our snow run here. Right about there and down is Slow Cruise, a side hill run that I bodily carved out. And then starting up there is the Black Diamond run just behind the deck, and that is, according to Matthew, crazy man, because right about down there where that berm is, you get shot off into the air and then stop at the bottom. And I think it's all fogged up.